Hey, so this is a quick way to route Get Good Invasion drums in Kontakt7 using Reaper. The other tutorials I've seen on YouTube have an older version of Kontakt, so this one looks a little different, just a little bit. We're going to start with just right-clicking over here in the tracks window to insert the virtual instrument, and then we would choose the 64 version, 64 track version. Jeez, what the heck? Get rid of anything you don't need, and then when you open it up, it looks like this. In the old tutorials or an older version of Kontakt, you would see like this little tab over here where the output was. Now you have to open the rack view. Now I can see the outputs, and I've clicked it, outputs. Here are all of my channels. So that when you go to the kick, you see each individual channel here, and you would ideally you would have, okay, the kick head here, sub kick here, but I just made them easy just to show you. These are all groups basically, and I made corresponding tracks for each one to route to. And when you route them, make sure that it lines up with what it says over here. Kick 1 2, snare 3 4, so you're going like this. Kick 1 2 1 2, okay? Snare 3 4 1 2, and so on and so forth. And it should all work. You see everything's lighting up. That's it.